What do you think of these chickens, buddy? What do you think? You gotta move. They're gonna go right underneath you, huh? You think they're gonna let you have Pop-Tart? What do you think? Yeah, Baron's trying to compete for Pop-Tart. Did they let you have some, Baron? Silly chickens. Come here. Baron, come here.
Okay.
Nah, he's trying to get to you because you've got the big piece. Come here. Baron, look. Say hi, chickens. What do you think, Harry? Sit down, Baron. Baron, sit. Good boy. You're not stuck, baby. Just step down. I can't get your head in there if you move every time I move. Are you really stuck? Climb down. You're on a step. Come here, Baron. Let's walk this way.
This way? I'll get help.
What are those things, huh? What do you think, Baron? Your tail's wagging. What do you think? What, Harry? Are you jealous?
Hi, Harry.
Hi, Harry.
Hey, Harry. You jealous?
Yeah, he's jealous. Go. Is that what roosters say? What? This is Baron, Harry. He likes you. Huh, Baron? No licking. What? Are you going to be nice? What is that, Baron? What is that?